if you hold the funnel, and yeah, this is the way to do it.
The interior is finally complete, with suede bucket seats and matching coloured carpet. Some of the detail is exquisite, like this panel hiding the fan box. And what really stands out is that gated gear lever, which is unique to this car. The front boot is covered by a custom panel that covers the fuel tank, as well as this tube that ducts cold air into the cabin. Unfortunately, the lighting in here is not the best and the colours look slightly off, but you can go and see this car in person at Motor Classica in Melbourne on Friday the 11th, 12th and 13th of October this year. This will be the first time the car's been on display for many years. It's taken about 4 years to get the car completed, but when I first saw it like this, it was literally pieces in boxes, unlabelled and just put inside the car by Alfred. It took a lot of talented people to get it to where it is today. I have a lot of footage to go through still to complete the video of how the car was reassembled, and I hope to have that to you soon. So in the meantime, go see it while you can in Melbourne.